Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 BMW 528i xDrive. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a inline 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo with 241 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Black leather interior with a dark wood trim, sunroof, xDrive 528i badging. And at the tailgate we got a clean set of floor mats. Also has a power liftgate. The keyless entry, power windows, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, hard keys for the radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission, different driving functions, more hard keys for the infotainment center. This BMW has 68,019 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2015 528i xDrive, visit us at feldmannimports.com.